Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineer YouTube channel. In this today lecture, we will cover our types of grades of concretes and their uses one by one. So before going discussion, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Now let's move. Dear friends, we divide grades of concrete into two types. One of cylindrical, second one is cubical. We show cylindrical as C and number. Similarly, cubical M and number. So what does C represents? C represents the mix ratio of cement, sand and aggregate, and this number represents 28-day compressive strength of the sample in megapascal. Similarly, M represents mix ratio of cement, sand and aggregate in cube material, and 5 represents 28 days megapascal, 28 days strength of material in megapascal. So here is the relationship between cylindrical strength and cubical strength, where C is almost equal to 0.8 M. C is cylindrical strength, M is cubical strength. So it means when we get cubical strength and multiply it with 0.8, then we get 28 days cylindrical strength. So it means that M28 is always greater than C28. It means that cubical compressive strength of the material for 28 days is always greater than cylindrical strength after 28 days. So we can say that C10 is almost equal to M5, means the strength of cylindrical grade C10 is almost equal to cubical grade M5 after 28 days. So now let's explain their uses one by one. So dear friends, now I will explain the uses of these grades on the site, that which grades to use where on the site, either in floor, either in slabs, either in beams or in roads, where to use them. So we will choose right grade for the right job. Okay, so let's start. So use of cylindrical concrete grades. What are cylindrical concrete grades? They are shown as, or they are written as C. C as mix ratio, 10 as 28 days strength in megapascal. So the minimum grade which is in cylindrical concrete grade is C10. So this is used for patio slabs and pathways and non-structural work. This is only applicable for these ones. Number 1, patio slabs. Number 2, pathway. Number 3, non-structural work. So where we can use them? C10. C10 is used for both domestic purpose and commercial purpose. Similarly, we can use C15. C15 cylindrical concrete grade C15. C is mix ratio, 15 is 28 days strength in megapascal. So we can use them in pavement curves and floor buildings. So in which type of construction we can use them? We can use them both domestically and commercially. So This is for C10. This is for C15. Now let's move to C20. So dear friends, we can use C20. C is mix ratio, 20 is 28 days megapascal compressive strength of concrete, which will be 20 megapascal. So where we can use this C20 grade concrete, we can use it in domestic floors and foundations. What type of foundations? Especially where weight of structure is lighter. Remember, weight of structure is lighter. And secondly, we can use them in workshops, in bases, garages, driveways, and internal floor slabs. C20 is only applicable to domestically work, not in commercial work. Now we can use C25. C25 in all construction areas. Remember, in all construction areas of domestic work and commercial work. This is also used for multi-purpose concrete mix, but usually used for foundation. We mostly use it in foundation, and we can use it both domestically and commercially. So now, dear friend, C30. C is mix ratio of cement, sand and aggregate in cylindrical test. 30 is 28 days megapascal strength, compressive strength of concrete. So we can use it in pathway and roadway. Remember, the main thing about C30 is this is the lowest grade which we can use in pathway and roadway. This is the lowest grade used for this purpose. This purpose means pathway and roadway. And this is more durable than above mentioned all grades C10, C15, C20, C25. This is more durable than those. And this is much more weather resistant and can take heavy road traffic. So it can bear heavy road traffic load. That is why we use it in pathway and roadway, and we use it only commercially, not for domestic purpose. So dear friends, now we come to C35, where C is mix ratio of cement, sand and aggregate proportions. 35 is 35 megapascal, 28 days compressive strength of cylindrical concrete. So we can use it in commercial structures, only commercial structures. Note, this heavy concrete mix is usually used for external walls and slabs as well as for structural pilings. This is highly bearing concrete, so we can use it for heavy structures, and this is used as commercially only, not for domestic purpose. So now dear friend, C40, which is maximum grade in the cylindrical concrete. C is mix ratio of cement, sand and aggregate. 40 is 40 megapascal, 28 days compressive strength of concrete in cylinder. So we can use it in commercial construction site, we can use it for foundations, we can use it for beams, for structural supports and in roads. So this is the most durable. Which one? C40. Then above C5 to C35, this is more durable. C40, it can withstand weather corrosions. That's why this is more durable, and this is frequently used in farms. Why? Because slurry creates corrosions, and this C40 can withstand these weather corrosions. So this is only used for commercial purpose. So friends, this was our today topic, and in the next topic I will cover more tricky and conceptual equations of civil engineering. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel, like this video and comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.